In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your game mode in Minecraft whether you're playing on Java or Bedrock Edition. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. No matter your reason for changing the game modes, here's how to do it. For Java Edition, pause the game and click Open to LAN. Make sure Allow Commands is turned on. Hit Start LAN World. From here, you have two methods to change a game mode. Method 1, hold down F3, then tap F4 to cycle through game modes. Release both keys to select the game mode you want. Method number 2, open the chat and type /gamemode followed by the mode that you want. Hit enter and you just changed the game mode. For Bedrock Edition, pause the game and go into settings. Under the world section, hit game and find the default game mode and choose the mode that you want, like creative, adventure, or survival. Quick note, changing the game mode this way will disable achievements, but that's okay if you're just experimenting or building. Once you unpause, your new game mode will be active.